Hi, my name is Dallas Kessman, and I played football at the University of San Diego from 2011 to 2016. And in my 4 years at University of San Diego, I was able to really spend some quality time with the kids and families and leaders of the Autism Tree Foundation, and really excited to spend more time with them moving forward. At my time in San Diego, I got to spend a lot of quality time with the kids before and after the games. We really got to hang out and go to their winter wonderland and spend time at some of the really cool events that the Autism Tree put together on our campus. And it was just a lot of really incredible time that we got to spend with the kids, really getting to know them and getting to know the families. So it was definitely a huge opportunity, and I'm very fortunate and grateful that I got involved so early. I'm really excited to share with you our PRMG's Affinity Program, which is an employee home loan and charitable donation benefit program that allows us to take a percentage of our commissions and provide to you, the consumer, in the form of a lower interest rate or closing costs, along with taking a percentage of those funds and having donated to your specific charity of choice. In our case, would be the Autism Tree Foundation. So I'm very excited to share this opportunity with you to help the Autism Tree grow, and as well to help you with your financial needs. If you have any questions or concerns, please give me a call. Thank you so much for listening to my experience with the Autism Tree Foundation, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity to help grow the Autism Tree Foundation through our affinity program at PRMG. I'm very excited to help build this program up financially, along with help you and your financial needs along the way.